Sophia here from My Great Challenger. Welcome back to my channel. I am making butternut squash soup. It's one of my favorite soup. It is butternut squash season. I just harvested 2 from my garden. I have 2 more left over that are just not right yet. This is a perfect fall and winter soup. It's easy to make. Ingredients are not hard to find, and it's absolutely delicious. Now, if you really want to go fancy, you can add some garlic bread on the side, but we're not going to do that tonight. I'm just going to show you how to make the soup. So come on, let's get started. I'm going to show you the ingredients. So let's start with the ingredient for my butternut squash soup. I have 2 butternut squash that I just harvested from the garden. One of them I didn't remove the stem yet, but this one I did so that I could check the color on the inside, and it looks all right. It's mid-October, they should be done by now. So you need a butternut squash, either a large one or 2 medium one. I'm using 2 onions, 2 apples. I prefer the red types of apples, like Granny Smith would not work. Fresh sage, this is the one from my garden. I have some chives here from the garden as well. Gonna need some olive oil, salt, you can use kosher salt or regular salt, black peppercorn, a little bit of cloves, and the ingredients that I'm missing right now, I still at the store, Scott went to get them. It's vegetable broth, or you can use chicken broth if you prefer. Some heavy cream that's at the end, and scallion that is also at the end. So first things first, I'm going to start peeling. That's the hardest part. Peeling and cubing the butternut squash. Peeling and cubing butternut squash is not easy. You need a lot of hand strength. So if you don't have it, I recommend that you buy them already cubed for you. They're available at the store. Okay, so this one hopefully is, yes, ripe. Nice color. So what I do is that, you see how hard they are? You could commit murder with this thing. Okay, so I cut that and then I stand it and I start peeling. Okay, and once I have most of it done, then I grab and get the pieces that are on the end here. You know, I really think that most people don't bother with fresh butternut squash soup because it's so difficult to peel. It really is hard. I mean, it's very waxy, very hard. I kid you not, you could actually, like, you know, really knock somebody down with one of those. They are pretty hefty. Let's cube. Take a spoon. Now these, I'm going to keep the seeds so that I can plant more of them next year. That's quite a lot. I have a whole bowl of butternut squash. Now I have to peel the onions. Next, I'm peeling apples and cubing them. Finally, I am preparing my fine herbs, and that is sage, and chives. Right, let's get started. I'm cooking in my Corningware. This is actually the one that has the metal bottom. These were called the ranch toppers. I'm gonna throw some olive oil in there. Salt. Pepper. And about 1/8, a little bit over, of cloves. Not a lot, because we're not trying to have a pumpkin pie here. And in that, I'm going to add my onions. I'm gonna wait for the oil to get a little bit hotter. There we go. I will let them cook until they get slightly transparent. Okay, my onions are starting to soften, so I'm going to add my butternut squash. Okay. And basically I'm braising them right now. And to that I'm adding all of my fresh herbs. So I'm going to let them cook like this for a good 15 minutes. I'll turn them once in a while. I just want them to be a little braised before I add my vegetable broth. it's been 15 minutes. They're starting to soften a little bit around the edges. The only reason why I'm doing that is so that they don't boil forever, because they do take a long time. All right, I'm adding my apples. And I'm going to cover them just a tiny bit for another about 10 minutes, and then I'll add the broth. All right, time for broth. This is just regular vegetable broth, organic, but it's low sodium. I'm going to throw that in there. Okay, give it a good stir. Cover, and that's going to cook for 45 minutes. Okay, so this is done, and they pretty much, you gotta look at big pieces. Yes, they are soft. So you don't want it to be too liquid, all right, because the soups, butternut squash soup is more like a very thin puree. You want to keep it kind of, you know, with a texture. So I use one of those, what is it, a brown hand, whatever. I've had it for years, and I'm just going to pulse everything. All right, it's ready. Whew, look at this. That looks really good. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Now.
Why?
Where's the spoon? No, come on. You can't do that.
Why not?
Because you're gonna hurt yourself. He bought 2 baguettes. I'm not touching the baguettes, but they basically
Right.
gonna put. No, I'm not.
Right.
I'm not. But they're basically gonna dunk that in the soup. It's
Very good, yeah.
So good.
Was this from the backyard?
Yeah, these are the butternut squash from the
So we have no more butternut in the backyard?
There's 2 more, and over there I saved the seeds. You see that? It's about 20 seeds. That's
Okay.
for next year, and I'm going to send some to Mom. Oh my God, this is so good. This is so good. Nice, huh?
Yeah, it is.
The scallion gives it a little bit of crisp, but it also balances it so well. Now, can you tell this clove in it? A little bit, no? Aftertaste, maybe?
No, I can't.
How about apples? Can you taste the apple?
No. Which apples did you put in there?
The red ones.
The Empires?
No, the ones you had before. What were they, Macintosh?
Oh, okay.
Alright, we're gonna finish this. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Comment down below, let me know if you make it or if you plan on making it. I'll be interested to find out how you liked it, and that would be it. Find me on Facebook and Instagram at My Great Challenge, and my Etsy shop, Frenchie and Tubby, for vintage finds. Channel merch. Oh, you're not wearing the t-shirt today.
No.
Channel merch at My Great Challenge Gift on Etsy. And if you want to get a more intimate glimpse into a personal and daily life, you can join my Patreon channel at patreon.com/mygreatchallenge. Thank you for watching. Bye. Hey, it's me, and guess what? Click that thumbs up if you really like this video. Thumbs down twice if you didn't. You can also share my video if you really liked it, or save it to watch later. Also, you can subscribe to my channel, but don't forget to click that bell button so you are always notified when I post a new video. Thank you for watching.